Shae here once again to give you a tour of, I'm gonna say, one of my favorite bedrooms, or my favorite bedroom in my house. This is our spare bedroom and I just love it. So I'm gonna give you a tour and show you how I decorated it for less than $500. Yeah, I'm pretty sure less than $500, okay? So here goes. Okay, I'm going to start here with the bedding. Um, so the mattress that we had, this room was completely empty. We had no furniture for this room. So I got a frame and a mattress from Walmart, walmart.com. It's like a mattress in the box. They delivered it to the door. Very, very easy to assemble. You just take it out the box and it inflated. It took maybe a day or so for it to inflate. And then the frame at the bottom is like two little rod, kind of like rod wiring framing, but they hold up the mattress very well. Like, we've had no problems with this bed. It is our guest room, so when we have guests or family come in, they generally sleep in here. So that was probably $200. It wasn't expensive at all. And then the bedding, I got the duvet cover from Target, and also the duvet I got from Target as well. They have things that are reasonably priced, good quality. Yeah, I really can't complain. I have a lot of Target bedding and I really, really can't complain. It doesn't pill or anything. This lovely, lovely little blanket that I have on the end, I got that from an estate sale. That was fairly cheap. It was probably under $10, and I just love the pattern. Very decorative. It's just beautiful. So that's that little blanket on the end. All of the pillows. Okay, the two green pillows, I got those from a thrift store. And then the other pillows, I'm pretty sure I got from Target. The headboard. So the headboard came from overstock.com, and that was fairly cheap. I know that that was under $100. So I put that up, and I actually did that by myself. So it was so super easy to do. So that's that. And then if you come here, we have a little end table that I got from the thrift store. It was brown, but I just stained it darker. So I stained it darker. It was brown. The lamp came from a thrift store in Palm Springs. If you look at any of my other videos, you know that I just rave about Palm Springs thrift stores. The decor is out of this world. I live in Southern California, by the way, so not far for me to drive down to Palm Springs. Basket, books, all thrifted. Picture frames are thrifted. And then this little basket over here, got that from a thrift store as well. And then this little stool here, I got that from an estate sale. The mirror is a Goodwill mirror. Got this gold mirror from the Goodwill. It did have like a little chip on it somewhere, but you see that at the top. But I think it was like $10. It was like $10. So cheap, nice gold mirror. Can't beat the price. Goodwill. The pictures here, those are all either estate sale or thrifted. The big one in the middle, estate sale for sure. And then the little ones are thrifted. So nice pictures there. Then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you this picture, this lovely, lovely painting I got at, I don't know if you guys have heard of Habitat for Humanity, but Habitat for Humanity, they have thrift stores as well. I guess it's like leftover things that they don't use for the homes that they build. So this one I got at Habitat for Humanity, and that was $10. Can you see that? Like, can you believe how beautiful? Yes, so $10 for this at a Habitat for Humanity thrift store. Okay, so this little bench here, my friend actually gave this to me for free. She was moving into a home and the previous tenants had left over some furniture, and she called me. She's like, I know you like to DIY. So do you want this bench? I'm like, yeah. So one of the legs were a little loose. I just screwed it in, no big deal. The wood, so I stained this wood that's on here because it was a lighter wood and it was a little a little worn, so I just stained it like a dark brown, and then I put it there. All right, so this plant here, so this is one of my first fig leaf plants, and when I got it, I did not know what I was doing. I wasn't watering it enough, so it's not as beautiful as my fig that I have downstairs, but it's doing okay. Let me get a little closer. It's doing okay. It's still alive, so I don't know. I might replace it, but I think I'll just give it a chance. The basket that it's in, that was from an estate sale. So it's a very large basket, and I just plopped the plant down in there. All right, so the curtains, I got these at IKEA. The curtain rod came from IKEA as well. Very, very cheap. I actually put these up by myself. I wouldn't say it's the most sturdy. I'll be honest. I wouldn't say it's the most sturdy, but I think as long as no one is pulling on those curtains, you'll be fine. Yeah, as long as nobody's pulling on the curtains, I think we'll be good. All right, let me come over here to my favorite piece in this room. This chair is one of the first things I DIY'd. I wish I had a picture of how it looked before. I got this from the thrift store, and it was, I'll see if I can dig it up, you guys. I really want you to see it. It was a light brown. The wood was a little worn. The cushion was like a flowery pink. It was just not cute. So I recushioned it with leopard. And if you saw my living room tour, you'll see that I love leopard, obviously, because I did another chair in my living room and I had leopard as well. So I put the leopard cushion on it, and then I stained it, of course. I love dark wood stain, if you don't already know. I love dark wood stain, so I stained this chair, and I just think, I'm just proud of myself. I'm just proud of myself. I'm like, chairs are my thing. I think I do really good with chairs. I haven't done any in a long time because I started to kind of like become obsessed, and every sale that I would go to, I'd be picking up chairs. I'm like, look, I don't need this many chairs in my house, so I had to kind of slow down on that. And then of course my wall, so the focal wall back there or in the front is black. It's just regular bare black paint that I got from Home Depot. Focal wall, accent wall, whatever you want to call it. So I just love the dark colors. If you've seen my home on Instagram and also in my tours, you'll see that I like dark colors. Like I like dark, moody colors. So this black just hits the spot for me. So yeah, that is it. The lighting came with the house when we bought the house. And we haven't changed it out, and I don't know if I'll change it out. I don't love it, but I don't hate it either. So right now it works. But yeah, this is my spare bedroom. So there you have it, guys. That is a tour of my spare bedroom. Once again, I hope that you have gotten ideas. I hope you get inspiration. I hope that you can decorate your bedroom or whatever room in your house on a budget if that's what you need to do. And I just want everybody to know that you can decorate and make things look nice without breaking the bank. It's so many products out there today that are quality and that are not expensive, so you can definitely decorate on a budget. It can look nice. People may think you spent a lot for it when you really didn't. But yeah, as long as you're happy with it, that's all that matters. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to list everything that I talked about, and have fun decorating.